Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix simple edit not working in the new and latest Fortnite update. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys have to make sure is that you actually have the Fortnite simple update setting equipped or enabled. And if you want to see if you have it turned on, you can just go over to settings. From settings, go over to the gear looking icon. It should be called game. Now from the game tab, you can scroll all the way down until you see building, and then from building, it should be the second to the last option, simple edit, and make sure you have it turned on. Once you set it to on, you also have to make sure you hit apply so it actually saves. And then now you can go ahead and either restart the game or you can restart your PC. I recommend just closing Fortnite, launching it back up, and then you can go into a custom match, and then you can go ahead and see if that helps fix the issue. And yeah, that should be it for the video. That is how to fix simple edit not working in Fortnite. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.